where you at, class? Jordan Tech, Midlands, where you at? College of Charleston, make some noise for me. Make some noise for our teammates. If you have big dreams and big goals, give me 2 snaps. You have big dreams and you have big goals, but a lot of time there is a gap between where you are now and where you want to be. And today is going to be teaching you the skill sets that you need to be great, not only in the classroom, not only at the house, not only at your job, but these skills that we're going to teach you today, they're all about helping you be a great leader. We're about to get real. First question, what does leadership mean to you? You're going to be given many assignments and many tasks to do, but the least you can do is try your best. And so in your conduct phase, we're testing to see if you tried your best. My first one, communication. My second one was conduct. My final C is?
I gotta give it to character.
Character as a leader is your values, what you believe in your heart, what you believe with your mind. Character is what influences your behavior. Character is what influences the way you talk. And so character is important as a leader. Communication, conduct, and our final C, character.